Okay, today I got another unboxing video for you. Actually, it's the folks over at Mano hooked us up again with the PM461 series microphone. So we are going to check this out. This is a cardioid microphone. It is USB, not XLR, but none the same. I'm pretty excited to check it out. So let's go ahead first do an unboxing, and then we're going to hook it up and see how it sounds. Okay, so let's see what we have. All right, we have instruction, users manual. Cool. And this looks like a shock mount of some sorts. Yeah, hopefully that wasn't important. We'll figure out where that goes. Maybe it was an extra one. Let's see here. We have some adapters. And that looks like maybe it attaches to the base. So, where's the microphone? Oh, wow. This is the microphone. Okay, it's not quite as big as what I thought it'd be. Actually, this is nice and compact. There you go. So it looks like we have a gain knob on there. I'm assuming it's a gain knob because I do not see anywhere to plug in a microphone. I know Dale did some unboxings previous videos where he was tooling what he thought was the gain knob when it actually was the volume knob. So this is straightforward. It looks like the gain knob. Oh, there's the, oh no, that's the screen. I was sitting there thinking that's the base. Oh, that's actually pretty sharp. That is actually pretty sharp. I like that. Yeah. Nice logo too. Nice branding. Okay, and then of course we have the cable, which is a USB. I don't know what type you would call that. We've seen this in other microphones before and whatnot. So actually it works, so we'll see. And then here's the, this is where the weight was at. That's why I was so shocked between the microphone. Like usually I'm used to pulling out the microphone and that's where the majority of the weight is. And usually you get like a cheap type base mount, but this base mount, like you could really hurt somebody with this. I mean, it's not plastic by any means. Here, let me say, yeah, that's pretty heavy. You can do some damage chucking that. So don't chuck your microphone across the room. All right, let's go ahead and put her together. That seems like it's pretty much it. Should I read the user's manual? Nah, we'll figure it out as we go. All right, so I'm assuming this is gonna screw in. Yeah, there's threads in there. Yeah, we don't want to strip the threads. All right. Wow, okay, moving right along. Oh, okay. All right. I'm getting this. So, no? Yes. Okay, there's your adapter. And I'm assuming it's going to go this way. I'm assuming. Let's go ahead. Wow. Pretty easy so far. I think it's just going to keep turning and turning. All right, let's get the microphone now into the shock mount. And once again, we screw that in. Hopefully I wasn't supposed to put the pop guard or screen guard. All right, where is it? Ah, okay, it keeps spinning on me here. All right, I got to hold it from the bottom. That's probably why I should have read the user's manual. I don't know. Go ahead and leave in the comments, Walt. You're a ding dong. Okay. Oh. There we go. I bet you this just clamps on like so. Hey. There we go. Not bad. Let me go ahead and yeah. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead. We're gonna hook this up, and we're gonna have a go at it. Now, mind you, I'm speaking to you right now on an XLR style microphone, so there is gonna be a slight quality degrade once I hook this up. But when I bounce back on, we'll be using the Mano PM461 series. Actually, I'm digging this. So this microphone, if you were gonna go to their website, actually is running at retail value right now, $39.99. That's not bad. 40 bucks for a USB microphone. Let's go ahead and give it a listen, and let's see what the quality sounds like. Okay, this is me actually sitting back from the microphone, and actually it's not too bad. I like the colors, how it switches. I wonder if you can actually control that. Once again, if you purchase this, read the user's manual. Okay, let me pull this forward a little bit closer. Okay, this is me actually talking to it actually closer. You know, this is obviously what they meant it for, even though, so this is the thing, I would highly recommend probably getting a microphone mount, an arm of some sorts like I have with my XLR, because obviously you have this pop filter, either that, and unless you're really sitting really super close to your desk, because this is where the microphone really sounds. I haven't even tweaked it. I haven't even done anything as far as the settings. I haven't scooped the sound or dropped the mids, anything like that. And actually, it's from what I was hearing through here when I had the monitors on, it actually sounds really good. It makes my voice not sound as nasally, I guess you would say. So my overall review of this microphone, I mean, here's the thing too, I love that. That's a fine little touch. I'm not one heavy into RGB, but that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, you have to admit. So I would say that this microphone definitely would shine if you get yourself like a monitor mount, or not a monitor mount, a microphone mount on this, and then hook it up. Once again, I would say definitely send it through like a shock mount type system like they have here. Obviously, one that would probably come with the arm. Use the pop filter that's built in because it has their branding on it. Like this, a pretty sharp microphone. I wish they had stuff like this back when I first started streaming, because 40 bucks, yeah, 40 bucks didn't get you that decent of a, I mean, you had to spend about $99 or up to get a decent USB microphone for streaming and whatnot, or recording videos. So overall, I feel that $40 is a decent bargain on this microphone. Now, mind you, I don't know the lifespan of this microphone. I can't speak to that. But as far as yeah, once again, I'm pleasantly surprised. So I don't have my hot potato, not potato shirt on, but if I was going to do a hot potato, not potato video, this is definitely a not potato. So definitely a quality USB microphone for 40 bucks. Go check it out.